Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a mini Temu haul. So I have a couple of products right here next to me. I actually already used all these products, so you guys will be seeing a full face like right after this haul maybe. And yeah, I'm super excited. So if you want to see what products I picked up from Temu, just keep on watching. So let's start off with the first product. We have the Kenya, that's the brand, Babe Skin Pore Eraser. So when I saw this on the website, I already knew this is a dupe for one of the products that I've seen at my local drugstore, maybe like a CVS or even a Walgreens. They have this type of primer there. I honestly don't remember who the brand is, but yeah, it definitely seemed familiar when I saw it on the site. So this is definitely a dupe for something. And again, this is a pore eraser. It says poreless, smooth skin, lightweight and breathable primer. So I actually did use this yesterday and I was really surprised. I thought it was going to be more on like the silicone side, but it's actually very nice and creamy. And let me show you what it looks like. Not a lot of product, I don't want to waste it, but there's a look at that, and it kind of just blends out really nice and seamless on the skin. So yeah, there's a look at the applicator. It's just really cute, really small. So I was so excited to try out yet another primer from the website. I've been using like the same two primers in all my full faces of Temu, so that's really exciting. And I also did want to let you guys know that the next video I'll be using all these products. I did mention that in the intro, but it will also be including some other new products from Shop Miss, from the 99-cent store. So it's going to be like a full face trying out new makeup. So definitely stick around, subscribe for that. Yeah, so again, I'm super excited to try out yet another primer from the website. Let me know any of your recommendations from Temu when it comes to their makeup, because I'm so excited and I do have a couple of things in my cart right now. So yeah, we're gonna see what else I pick up, but I really have been liking this primer. So cute. And I do have like a little series where I do a haul video for Temu. I also do a full face, and I also do ranking my Temu purchases. All are not sponsored. I'll let you guys know the day that I get sponsored, girl. The day hasn't come yet, but none of my Temu videos are sponsored. So don't fret, I'm giving you guys my genuine opinions on all these products, girl. I wouldn't lie to you guys. We also have a couple of other like face complexion products. So next I went ahead and picked up a concealer from the site. This product here is from DNM Concealer Serum, and as soon as I saw this on the website, I was like, yes, let's snatch it up, girl. So the outer packaging, you know, it's cute, whatever. Let's see what information we get. This one here is an 05. All the Temu products I'm talking about today will be linked down below. They are not affiliated, girl, don't fret. So there's a look at the concealer. Again, very similar to, I believe it's NYX, that has a concealer that looks similar to this. So again, from DNM, and this is their concealer serum. This one here is in the shade 05 Golden. I feel like this shade itself is a little light, but you know, it's cute. I really like the coverage of this product. Again, you guys are gonna see it in action in my next video, and I will be ranking all these products. But yeah, so far so good with this concealer. And again, the shade itself is a tad light, so I would have gone a little darker. But in the back you do get the information. It tells you what it is. It tells you how long it's gonna be good for. So it's good for about 6 months. And all the information that you need to know is on the back of the product. So this is so cute. I really like the packaging. I love that when you use it, this thing moves up so that you can see your progress. So I really like this little product. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what the shade 05 Golden looks like. There's the shade right there. Again, more on like the thicker side, but it definitely blends out really nicely, and a little bit does go a long way with this product as well. So just keep that in mind. Really nice. I really like it. All right, next we have a foundation. So this is from Pop Feel, and this is a Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. And again, I was going for more like ColourPop dupes this time, and they literally add so many great things on there. The only thing with this foundation, I thought it was going to be bigger. Girl, look at how tiny this is. This looks like a little sample size. I'll have a picture of all the products on the screen as I'm talking about them. Prices do tend to vary from time to time because they're always having sales and flash sales, and all type of sales are always going on Temu. So pricing is always kind of like, you know, either they add a couple cents, they remove a couple cents, whatever. But they're always having great deals. But I thought this was going to be a little bigger. So I wonder how much I paid for this. But again, it's going to be on the screen. This is from Pop Feel Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. It is rather small, but you know what? I really like the packaging. Is so cute, and I love again that you can see your progress as you use it. I went ahead and got the shade P202/3. So they have a total of 4 shades, I believe, on their site. And this one here, I'm telling you, it matches me so well. Literally matches my neck to a T. Now the actual, I don't want to like spoil my thoughts on all these products just yet, because you guys will be seeing it in action tomorrow. Like, I think that's when the video goes live, but I literally did the full face using all these products yesterday, and the way that they wore I'll let you guys know in that video. But yeah, so the color match was really nice. The actual coverage of this product was nice. So yeah, I'm really excited about this purchase. And again, I hope I didn't pay too much for this, girl, because this is kind of small. But if it was like $1 and change, I'm fine. But this is so cute. I just thought it was going to be a little bigger. Let's get into my lip products that I purchased. So I did go ahead and pick up a lip gloss. Now it doesn't say who it's from. Oh, this is from Beauty Glazed, and I went ahead and picked up one of their glosses in the shade Feel. No, not Feel. What? In the shade Meet, M-E-E-T. So again, this is from Beauty Glazed. This is their lip glow oil, or lip oil glow. So as you can see, very similar to some other glosses. They've been adding so many dupes for this gloss on their site. This is so cute. I decided to go with a clear shade just because I know myself, and it's just gonna be like too much planning to get a colored gloss, and I have so many other colored glosses in my collection that I'm like, I'm good, girl. Nice like clear gloss you can never have too many of. So again, so cute. I really love the doe foot applicator of this product. I love the actual packaging. It is so cute. Also very small. Let me compare it to the foundation. Literally, like, they're almost the same size. Let me go ahead and show you the doe foot applicator. I love this type of applicator. It's just really nice and soft on the lips. So I did go ahead and use this yesterday. This is really nice formula, again in the shade Feel. No, why do I keep saying Feel? Meet 101. So yeah, and Beauty Glazed on the website is a really great brand. So yes, Beauty Glazed lip oil gloss situation is really nice. Girl, I almost dropped this next one. So next we have a lipstick, and this is from Pop Feel as well. So is that the same brand as, yeah, same brand as the foundation. So we have a Pop Feel lippy stick situation. So we have, gosh, I don't even know what shade this is, but look at that. Straight up ColourPop alleged dupe. So there is the shade there. I did go for more on the like red kind of color when I was choosing them, but oh, this is so pretty. Again, all the information is going to be linked down below. I don't remember what shade this is, but it looks so stunning. The formula feels really nice and creamy. This is one of the products that I didn't try out. I think this was the only one. Everything else I tried out in that video, but this is such a beautiful color. I can't wait to try it on my lips. And as for how much product you get, let's see. Oh, wow. Girl, that's a lot. Okay, girl. Yes. And lastly, for this mini haul, I went ahead and picked up an eyeshadow palette. This is a Muge Lean palette, and it looks like so. I really love the packaging. It's like a really nice kind of quality packaging, not like the lime creme dupe. Can we like, I literally can't forget about that, girl. Styrofoam vibes. But this is actually really nice quality. It's really nice and thin. On the back you get the shade names. All the names are in a different language. Comes with a nice mirror. Also, one of the shades did come broken, and again, I did use this yesterday, so I really love the color story of this palette. Again, I believe that ColourPop came out with a palette similar to this, but look at how stunning. This is like the perfect kind of everyday palette for me. I love it. So we get 4 shimmer shades and 6 matte shades. These are so stunning. Again, really beautiful. You guys will be seeing this in action in my next upload, but I'm so excited about this palette. So cute. Again, everything's going to be linked down below if you want to shop on Temu for yourself. Let me know your thoughts on any of the products that I mentioned in today's video down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.